well, it's like an informing. Yeah. On my way to the farm, I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging. We're on our way to the farm. It's gonna be good. I probably shouldn't be doing it. I probably shouldn't be doing this due to a pandemic, but it's nature. It's nature. I really want to breathe. And everything's sticking to my nerves for a bit. And montage time. What do you think of, oh gosh, what do you think of this place, Papa?
It's cool. Food is good.
Wait, kala mo yan yung sasakyan natin. It's cherry red. It's cherry red.
Okay. Ano kayo? What do you like? Masarap yung ganisa dito. Masarap yung bagnet. Masarap yung bangus.
Kusina lang ako.
Kusina.
And
Dalawang kusina. Ano ka? Ano ka?
Excuse me, ma'am. What did you think? What do you think of this
Ikaw,
restaurant?
ano ka? Tatlong tosinag, sir. Tapa pala isa.
Take your time. If you look at the view over here, it's kind of awesome. I like the view. Kind of looks like a good place. And it's so cold. It's like 27, probably 27, maybe 26 degrees Celsius. I don't know. I need a thermometer to do this stuff, dude. Yeah. Wow, it's so. Oh, it's 27 degrees. So, yeah, I think it's 27 degrees Celsius. As you may know, I live in the Philippines, and yes, I'm a Filipino. So that makes me an Asian. And our like what do you call this? Unit of measurement. It's like Celsius, not Fahrenheit. Oh my god, it's like 27 degrees. Oh. Enjoy this montage. Enjoy this like montage of like the view of just. Oh, it's just. That's the restaurant, man. I don't know what to do. Just basically like recording things at this point. Nice sunset. Skies. So, what do you think? What's your verdict? What's your verdict on the food? Mine looks good. Yours looks good. Your verdict?
Susuka.
What do you mean? Verdict. How'd you rate it?
1 out of 1 million. So yeah.
Alright, never mind. I should. This was my food after eating it, and I gotta say, it was good. And I think I'm gonna digest this in about 3 or 4 days.
Kuya.
It was amazing.
Pagbala susumpit yun eh.
Now I'm full. Now I'm full, and
Bakit nang ganyan kapag?
it was good, wasn't it? Look at that! Look at that face! Look at that face! That's the face of approval.
That's the face of
Approved.
stressed student.
2 stress students.
Iwan ka na lang dito.
So now that I've fueled up, and I'm ready to take on the trip. I gotta stop that face, dude. I gotta stop that face. Now, here we go. Here we are. This is the time of the video. Montage time. I walk a lonely road, the only one that I have ever known. That couple of pictures sucks. Anyway, I'm just walking because, of course, it's a steep freaking road. Do you think a car is going? Do you think a car is going to survive this? How do you think a car is going to survive? No, a car is not going to survive this. That certainly won't survive this. Sorry, I pressed the wrong button. Trying to keep my headphones. There we go. Farm is all the way over there. We're in a more steep road. It's not gonna be epic. Oh my god. I feel like all of the food that's inside me right now is just like, it's like bouncing up and down. See, I told you, you can't survive this. A car cannot survive this. Especially a Jeep. I think a Jeep would survive this, but definitely not our car. So, I wish I had my body for the phone. I'll just end it here for now. I'll get back to you later. We're gonna have a big nerf war. It's gonna be epic. Let's do this! Wait them! Come on, let's do this! Oh my god, this is gonna be fun! What's up?
Oh, tumangkad ka na. You look like a...
Oh.
That was way good.
That was way too bad.
Nag-absent kayo?
Hi.
Pasok?
You're gonna... Sorry, we were gonna...
Look at our new
Hold on. I don't know.
I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna go down.
What am I supposed to do? Come on! Dude, come on, stop wasting time. The less you talk, the more you can shoot people in the head. Oh, wait. Oh! Oh! Oh, shit! What the f was that all about? Wait, which way are they going? Oh, come on! Not both ways. Come on. Why does this have to be so fucking stupid? I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Wait, what happens when you're shot? We lose, of course, obviously.
Wait, I need to take a breather.
Wait. So this is a free-for-all. This is the second round already. I'm gonna be out there in the treehouse. Okay. All right. So let's do this. Okay. So I'm at the treehouse. That's the treehouse over there. Is this still recording? Good, because my battery is about to die. My battery is about to die. And yeah. I'm essentially just going to be a big dum-dum. Okay. Video got cut off and just basically the entire time that I was doing a nerf war, I lost. And it's just him that won all of this. He's a pro gamer.
No, I won.
I carried.
Yeah, I won at life, bro. I'm a successful businesswoman.
I literally had no idea what was going on at this point.
No, you.
Well, anyway, that's gonna be it, guys. Thank you for watching. I had a fun blast on the Nerf War. And yeah, that was basically it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for visiting Planet Lebanon, and I hope to see you on your next stay. In the meantime, enjoy this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Goodbye!